My name is Thomas. I'm doing this video review to congratulate Alisa. Before, I didn't know anything about trading, and I went online to look for someone from whom I can learn how to trade. And I came across some review videos that are talking about this Forex free training with Alisa. I said, this is possible, let me try it. And when I sent in my email, I accessed this amazing group where Ali is teaching forex trading for free, 100% free. I didn't believe it for the beginning. And listen, his goal is to help 1 million, those who want to learn trading, 1 million people. 1 million. Listen, 1 million people by 2023. If you want to know, you might be in trading already, but you want to enter this group to learn from Ali's side. He's amazing. Or if you are new like me, you want to enter this group. Even he has a student group where you can learn from those who are very advanced in the training. And from him, he is very, very present in the group. He reviews every single chart that you are going to post. It is an amazing group. You want to try this if you want to know anything about trading. From Alisa, from zero, I know now how to analyze trade price chart, how the trend lines, the boss, that means low, high, low. You don't know what I'm talking about, right? No, this group is really amazing. You are going to learn things that people are teaching for money, but at least teaching them for free. You want to enter this group and know what's going on here, especially if you want to know anything about trading. What we are learning forex trading, but you can apply this trading to any cryptocurrency, stock trading, all that. You just have to adjust what you are learning from Ali to other trading. You want to do this. I'm doing this review to congratulate Ali Sad, to encourage him continuing what he's doing, and to invite you to enter this group. It's 100% free.